Alright, today we're going to be making a package to Amazon FBA, sending all these toys. We do have a damaged toy, this one right here, so we're not going to be sending this one, and we're just going to return it. So remember guys, when you buy stuff and it's damaged, just return it. You'll get your money back. But actually, I bought this for so cheap that I'm just going to sell it on eBay. You know what I mean? It's not that damaged. But I will be showing you guys how we do our labels. So here we go. So this is the Dymo printer. It's the Label Writer 4XL. So these are the big labels right here. And we pull it out. It's pretty simple. And we have these smaller labels. This is them right there. So 25 by 54, 1 by 2 inch. This is what they look like. We use these to label all our products. It's pretty simple. You just load it up. See? Real simple. And these are our products I just showed you guys. And I'm going to hand it over to Amanda so she can continue. And I'll just walk you guys through it as she does it. So we got 3 products. How many of the, we have 10 of the blocks. So right there, she hits 10 to print. Those are the labels right there. Those are the settings for the labels. Super easy, guys. Super easy. And those go to these product right here. This product, as you can see. So, see how easy? That one's done. And she'll give me these. And I'll label up the rest. Very simple, guys. It's not that hard. You know. Sometimes you'll find other labels from other sellers. That's okay. Just put your label over their label. You know. Let me see. Look, right here. For an example, that's an old label. So I'll just cover up their label with my label. Too easy. And when we're sending this in the big box for Amazon, we'll switch the labels to the bigger labels. It's pretty simple. You guys already seen me switch it, so. All right. Look, this one also has a label. Too easy. I'll just cover it up. Boom. I maybe work 2 to 3 hours a day, and I spend all my time with my family. And those are done. And we're gonna move on to the next product. These are ready to go. Too easy. So we had 6 of these. Now we have 5. Obviously, because you know that one's broke. So, and we have 6 of these. But these are open, so we're gonna have to poly bag these because you can touch the product. So buy your poly bags. We're gonna show you guys how we do it. It's pretty simple. So there we go. We got 6 of these. I'm gonna print them out. We already showed you guys the settings, but there they are again. Okay, go ahead. Too easy. But these need to be poly bags, so I'm gonna grab the big poly bags. First, we gotta label it. So you find the UPC, too easy, or the SKU, whatever you guys want to call it, and you cover it up with the label that you printed from Amazon. If you do not print your own labels, it can cost up to, I believe, 60 cents for one label. And if you're sending 100 products, you know, that's over $50. So, and this is how we do it. Make sure you get the bags with the warning labels. And this is how I poly bag all our products. See? Too easy. Too easy, guys. All right, here's the next one. As you can see, this is too easy, guys. So Amanda's recording right now, but if she wasn't recording, I'll be doing the labels and she'll be poly bagging. And I'm telling you, we're usually done in like 2 hours, maybe less. You know, right now we're gonna be done super fast. That's why we decided to record this one. This is a perfect example. You do not have to label all your products, depending on Amazon. A lot of times we have products and they'll say, does not need a label, you could use the UPC. I love those, because you don't have to label. All right, we're gonna poly bag these later. We're gonna move on to the next item. So, here we go. So we're gonna put no prep needed also, because we prep everything. Saves you money, guys. We have 5. Too easy. Too easy. All right, so we got everything labeled. The stuff that needed poly bag, we got poly bag. And we got our coffee, and here we go. Multiple boxes, because obviously.
I think we only 3.
Okay, so we estimate 3 boxes, and we're gonna put in the sizes and see if they approve it. Watch and learn, guys. Do one side first. See? Then you do the other side. Then you do the middle. Then you do the ends. We're almost out of tape. And if it needs any more tape, I think it does, because it's a big box. Get yourself one of these at Costco. See how fast I switch that tape out? Because I'm a pro. So I make sure my boxes are waterproof, because I don't play. All my packages make it. And I also cover up these little foldy things, so, you know, the people at UPS don't stick their hands in there, open the box up by a mistake, because Amazon doesn't like when the boxes get there and the flaps are open. And then we'll grab some pad. And we'll just line the bottom with some padding. Alright, and what toys should we start out with? Maybe these Barbies. See how many we can fit. Hopefully they don't get damaged. They usually get there just fine. But these are pretty sensitive, so you want to protect these. Try to get your bubble wrap from Costco, BJ's. It's really cheap. You know, I only pay like $12 for that thing. That lasts me a very long time. Need a couple, probably 2 more boxes. I don't know, maybe 1 more box. But see, that'll be box number 1. We'll come over here and we'll put in, you know, in box 1 we got 3 of those and 2 of the teacups. And then we'll start on box number 2. So it says 14 pounds, 2 ounces. So we're going to put 15 pounds. We always round up. So 15 pounds for the first box. Second box. Second box says 20 pounds. So we're going to put 21 pounds. For the second box, we're going to put 21 pounds. See, guys? You always round up. The third box. Oh, the dimensions. Oh, yeah. Give me 1 second. So, the dimensions, we got 22 by 18 by 12. Says 10 pounds, but we're going to put what? 11 pounds. Because it rounds up, guys. Take a sip of your coffee. Now we're going to switch the labels back out. I'm going to show you guys how we switch them back out real quick. Pretty simple. You just lift it up, open that, take these out. Real simple, guys. Put this back. And whoop, don't worry about that. See how easy that was? And now we're gonna print off the labels for these and send them off to Amazon. The fees with shipping, everything, there it is right there, $63.94.
21 units.
We sending 21 units, toys. So we switch it back. These are the settings. Make sure you switch your settings back. Make sure you switch your settings back. And there we go, guys. Too easy, too easy. Alrighty. So this is how we do it. This is box 1. Remember how I showed you guys? If you're by yourself, one side at a time. So that's box 1. That's how you do it, guys. You find the label that says box 1 and you put the Amazon label on one side and you put UPS or FedEx, whatever you choose, on the other side. Box 1 ready to go. And there we go. There we go, guys. 4 boxes to Amazon. See how easy? Super easy. I don't even know if that's going to fit in the BMW. I think I might have to take the Tesla. And this is, bring your packages here to UPS, guys. And that's how it's done, guys. Amazon FBA, too easy. You know what I mean? Electric vehicles, no gas. I woke up, no lie, at 2 o'clock p.m. It's 4:42. I'm done with my day today. Too easy. How can you still be working a 9 to 5? I don't know, but I'm gonna teach you how to get out of that.